Hello. My name is Azat Mardan, and I'm the founder and creator of Node University. I'm super excited to present you this episode of Node.js Node University short lecture about NPM CLI. So the introduction to NPM. NPM comes with Node.js for good or bad. Why it's good? It's good because you don't need, especially as a beginner Node.js developer, you don't need to think about what module system to use. In Java, there is Ant, Maven. In Node.js, the packager already comes with the platform, with Node.js. So in this sense, it's good. It's already there. You don't need to go through extra hurdles. It also helps to build NPM registry into such a monstrosity. It has a lot of packages. Now, what is the downside? The downside is the same, pretty much. It results from the same things as the benefit. The downside is that you are locked into just one packager system. By default, that's what people use. So if you are not happy with how it's performing, and past few releases, NPM 4 and NPM 5, they were terrible. They were just terrible, and they were going from bad to worse. And the company itself, they have a lot of outages. The cloud registry is not reliable. Imagine you have a critical mission application and you need to quickly redeploy it because of some bug in the middle of the night, most likely in the middle of the night they would be up. They were down a lot of during the day peak hours, and you rely on npm install to pull those modules from that cloud registry, which is it's basically your fault. You should not have dependent on their registry, but maybe you are just a beginner. You don't know that you shouldn't depend on them, and then they're down, right? So you're stuck. You're stuck because you need those dependencies and packages. Also, they have very dubious policies about publish and unpublish. There was a big incident when a person, he wasn't happy with their decision of cease and desist, and he unpublished a module, and then a lot of the modules broke, right? But there are definitely more benefits. Benefits of NPM is that it has this philosophy of very granular, very single-minded, single-purpose modules. What I mean? So let's pretend I need to parse my HTML and to escape and to make all the weird characters, all the special characters safe, such as angle braces and other special characters. So it's 50 lines of code. That's all my module is doing. So it's a great idea to publish it on NPM. And also you will see a lot of modules like that. All they're doing is just a single function or maybe two functions. That's it. It's a good idea because that allows a lot of flexibility to developers. They can just pick and choose whatever functionality they need without being locked into a huge monstrosity of the opinionated library or a framework, like in some other languages such as Java or Ruby on Rails. You get locked into those standard libraries, and there's very little innovation. In NPM there is huge innovation. The sheer number of modules, the developers, it's huge. It's twice number than Maven Central or RubyGems repositories. So that's a quick overview of what is NPM. And by the way, it's lowercase, it's not capital case. The company is very adamant. The NPM they're very adamant about that. Maybe it's because it started as just a simple command line tool. It wasn't NPM Node Package Manager with the capital cases. So that's it for this episode. In the next episode, we will be talking more about Node in the format of short lectures. Thank you for listening and have a great day.